In this tutorial, we are analyzing all the functionalities that Kindertap offers to manage photos from the website. We will see first how you can import photos, how to use tags in order to store photos in a smart way, and how to search for them. Then, we will see how you can download all the photos in zip files and how to share photos with the families. Clicking on Photos from the side menu, we get to the gallery of Kindertap. This is where you can find all the photos imported and all the photos taken through the app. Obviously, the easiest way to produce photographic documentation is to take photos from the mobile app. But if you took photos with a camera, you can import them through the import command. You can select the files you want to import, or you can drag them directly into the proper space. For each photo, you can indicate the date and the time when it was taken. Make sure you're not mistaken, because you will no longer have the possibility to modify this information. Clicking on Start Upload, Kindertap starts uploading the photos to the gallery. Kindertap resizes the images and rotates them if necessary. Once uploaded, we can move on to organizing photos using a fantastic Kindertap feature, tags. We can add tags to each photo. For example, we can evaluate the photo by adding 1 to 5 stars, tag the kids who appear in the image, the activity that was being carried out, and the place. We can do the same with another image. Tags can be set simultaneously for more than one photo at a time. To do this, you need to click on the icon on the top and select the photos for which you want to set tags. Then click on Actions and set the tags. Setting tags using Kindertap app is definitely easier, because tags can be set before taking a series of photos so that all the pictures are automatically tagged. Thanks to tags, Kindertap helps us to search for photos in the archive. Let's see how. Click on the filter icon on the top and define the tags to search for the matching images. Let's select, for example, a kid and all the images with at least 2 stars. Kindertap filters the photos and shows only the ones matching the search criteria. Now you can download them, clicking on the selection icon, selecting the photos and clicking on Download. By clicking on Launch Download, Kindertap prepares a zip file containing all the selected photos. The same procedure can also be used to download hundreds of photos at a time. Once the file is ready, click on the link to download it. Let's now talk about the functionality of sharing the photos with the families. You can share images in 2 different ways. The first one uses the information of the tags. Once tagged 1 or more kids in a photo, you can click on the top left icon and the photo is shared with the parents of the kids tagged. In the case of a photo where 2 or more kids are tagged, by authorizing the sharing, you will share the photo with both families. In this first way of sharing photos, Kindertap share images only after having checked the authorization given by the parents for each kid. In fact, in the kids record, for every child you can specify a different level of authorization regarding photos. No means that parents did not give any authorization and so you cannot take photos of their children and share them. Internal means that you can take photos of the kid, but you cannot share them through Kindertap. If the authorization is internal plus Kindertap, you can take photos and share them via Kindertap. The photos shared in this first way appear directly on the diary. As you can see, Kindertap automatically creates a post containing all the images shared. Let's now see the second way to share photos via Kindertap, that is, including photos in the posts of the diary. This option has to be enabled by the administrator account in the settings of Kindertap. Scroll down to the Diaries box, click on Enable Photo and Video Sharing in the diary, and give the authorization. This authorization is necessary due to some delicate aspects related to this sharing mode, which we will see in the next example. Let's go back to the diary and add an activity post. Now let's select a photo from the gallery. Let's see the preview. Kindertap has already added the photo to the diary of all the kids. So, in this second way of sharing images, by adding the photo to the post, you are sharing it with all the kids included in the post, and not only with tagged children. But remember, the verification of the authorization to the photo sharing is always based on the tagged children. For example, in this case, Kindertap will verify the level of authorization for Oliver and Kate. Differently, if you want to share a photo with this same sharing mode only for one kid included in the post, you can do it clicking on the 3 vertical dots in correspondence with his name and selecting the photo. In this way, the image will be shared only with his family. This second way of sharing photos is definitely faster than the first one, but you have to pay attention that the photos added to the top part of the post are shared with all the families of all the kids included in the post. Before finishing, let's say that the photos will be shown to parents in their private area, both in the page of the diary and in the gallery. Parents, as educators, can download all the photos of the month in a zip file. In this way, you can avoid transmitting photos to parents at the end of the year. You can authorize parents to download the photos from the General Settings menu.